They said, no sleeping. Give me food, bitch. Yeah. This is off to a good start. Make cat food. I'm like half each. All right, it's Saturday, May 20th. I don't know what the date is. I'm looking at Vince, but he's not. He doesn't care. And we're gonna go get some breakfast in typical Saturday fashion. Oh, window cat.
Yeah, my shit was black today.
You just bit my thumb. Fucking thirsty bitch.
Sometimes you gotta.
Oh my god. Ah! Alright, we had a short change of plans, but that's okay. I'm back home. I need to work in like an hour. I gotta go to the restaurant. So I'm editing like 2 or 3 vlogs quick and just updating some things, getting some things scheduled, and then post it. I will say, ever since switching to iPhone, everything takes a lot longer to go onto my computer. This would have taken 30 seconds. Now it takes like 15 minutes. That's probably because I'm shooting in 4K, so that's my own fault. Good night. I'm at work and I'm super bored and I've had like 3 tables. Because it's raining, so it's gonna stay like this. Maybe I can go home and work on content stuff. That would be nice. Hi, I'm laying in bed with Vince. And I'm all done work and I finished before 10 o'clock, so that's big. So I'm gonna stop giving the finger. Vince came in for dinner and I got to bring home a piece of cake, so not too bad. And I'm off tomorrow, so that's pretty exciting. Vince is laying here with me and has decided to contribute the middle finger. I don't know what the night holds. I think maybe Vince and I will play a game, and then maybe I'll go play Val with my friends. Stop it! Okay, now I'm just gonna go play Val with my friends. You're bullying me. Oh my god, my hair is a hot mess right now. It's a sleigh! I knew that they were gonna forfeit. Nobody can hear you in my headphones, but they will say hi, Killsplot. And an ollie butt. Oh god. I love my friends. These are cute. I like them. Picasso. Also, LOL at my big bruise. I'm back in the change room. I found so many more. They're cute, but they don't fit. And they're cozy. Okay, these ones are not the cutest, but they're the comfiest. So, an absolute yes, I think. I wish these were a size bigger because they give me camel toe. So I'm not getting them. So no. No. And then I tried these on earlier and I wanted to confirm because they're still comfy and still cute. Yeah, these are a yes. They still kind of give me camel toe though. Oh my god. Oh well, they're cute. I'm getting them. Side note, how does anybody unbutton Levi's and button them back up all day? Because I just tried on 4 pairs of jeans and I'm tired. I also tried these on and I like them, but they're like way too big, unfortunately. So I think it's gonna be a no, but they don't have them. They were just on clearance, but they don't have them in a size smaller, so oh well. Okay, I just realized that the 501 jeans that I tried on and was like laughing at were the skinny. So now I'm gonna try the original and see if they fit in the same size. Okay, so I can button them up and they fit. They're a little long, but they like, I feel like they make me look boxy and like you can see the pockets and like camel toe and I'm just like, I don't know. What do y'all think? Like they're cute and they're 50% off. I don't think I'm gonna do it today, but let me know what y'all think. And then for next time, I know if you like the jeans. But I do feel like they make me look like kind of boxy, like just in my hip area. I don't know. Be honest, what do you think? Okay, I realized after getting the jeans that they were 50% off for any of the 501 original Levi's shorts or jeans. But then there was also a buy one, get one 50% off deal. So I paid $34.97 for one pair of the Levi's that are normally $70. And then for another one that I would have paid $70, I paid $17.50. So now I want to go get more jeans. That's so good.